In this video lesson, I will show you how to use Volatility 250 1-second Pip Calculator to calculate the Pip value and also calculate the stop loss and the take profit values, so you can see how much they will be in US dollars before you open a new order. Also, you will have a Pip table which consists of all synthetic indices for the derivative broker with the volume, minimum volume, maximum volume size, what is the contract size, and also the Pip value for each of them. For 250 1 second, here you can see what are the values. The minimum volume is 0.001 and the maximum one is 1, which means also a lot size. You will have also the Pip formula, so you can get the Pip value, where you can see three variables that are affecting the Pip value. The first one is point value, the second one is volume, and the third one is a contract. Contract is always the same and it is defined by the broker. Have in mind that I'm using the volume is equal to 1, which is one standard lot to calculate the value for 1 Pip. But the volume or lot size is changeable, so you can change this value whenever you need. Let's see how this works with the Pip calculator. I will leave this table below. The Pip calculator on the top has the value in US dollars. So when you click calculate, you get the value here. Below that you have a symbol. It is a drop-down menu that you can use to select any other synthetic indices. Below that you have a volume field where you enter desired lot size, also the volume. In this case, I will leave a 1 because it is one standard lot. Then you have a contract size, which is defined by the broker. So when you select any symbol, you will get automatically populated a contract size and also the point value for the derivative broker. If you have any other broker, you can simply enter the values here. But remember that the contract size always stays the same for this synthetic indice. So if your broker has number 10, you will leave this 10 in all calculations. Then below that you have a point value, which is currently defined as a 0.01. And that means that this broker is defining that the 1 Pip on the chart is equal to 0.01 price change. So we have here currently market price, which is 29,409.4841. So these are 2 decimal points. When the price changed by 0.01, this will mean that the price will change by 1 Pip. And when you click calculate, you will get here the value for a 1 Pip. So 1 Pip is equal to $0.01. When the price change here on the chart by 0.01, that will mean that the price has changed by 1 Pip, and also that will mean by 0.01 US dollar. Below that you have 3 fields to enter the entry price, the stop loss price, and the take profit. You enter these 3 values to calculate what is the stop loss difference and the take profit difference. These values you can put here inside this field and you will get the value in US dollar. I will show you that with an example. For example, let's see and open an order that will have entry price at the current market price. The stop loss would be just below these lows, and we are expecting that the price will go to this level. So how much would stop loss be equal or take profit would be equal? So enter these values. First, the entry price 29365.85. Stop loss would be 28298.55, and the take profit would be 32880.77. Click calculate and you get the price difference between the entry price and stop loss and entry price and take profit. Copy this one inside this field and click calculate. Here you get the value in US dollar. So this means if you open a new order with the volume which is equal to 1, with the entry price and the stop loss equal to this one, you will get that the stop loss would be 1067.30. If you put a take profit here, click calculate, you get that the take profit would be 3,500. Let's open a new order with these values. We leave this one to number 1, which is a volume 1 or 1 standard lot. Stop loss copy paste from these fields. And we are expecting that the price will go up. That means we open buy order. And the new order is open. Let's copy this entry price because it's slightly different than this one to 8298.55. Click calculate. Let's see, are the values okay? Oh, I have put something wrong. Sorry, the entry price is not correct. The entry price is this one. 2956372. Click calculate, and here it is. Okay, the stop loss would be this one. It will be 1265. Let's see on the chart, is the values are the same. Let's remove these horizontal lines so we can see the stop loss. Let's put our mouse here. 1265.17. It is the same value we got here inside the Pip Calculator. Let's see the take profit. 3317. 3317.05. It is the same value. So you can see you can use this Volatility 250 1-second index Pip Calculator to get the value of a stop loss and the take profit before opening a new order. This way you can see is the stop loss or take profit correct, or they are too high or too low. So for example, if these values are too high and you would like to get them lower, you can simply change the volume, because the volume is affecting on the value of this pip and also on this stop loss and take profit levels. So the minimum one we have seen inside the table is 0.001 and the maximum one is 1. So we have put here a number 1, which is the maximum. But let's change and open a new order, which will be slightly lower. Oh, sorry, let's put first the values here on the chart. The entry price would be here. Now let's open a sell order, which means that the price will go down. I will take the take profit, put here, and stop loss just above these highs. So we are expecting that the price will go down. Open new order. Sorry, let's put first here the stop loss and the take profit. Stop loss would be 31021.32, and for example take profit would be 25575.78, and the entry price would be 29261.48. Click calculate. We have a stop loss equal to this one. Let's calculate that one. It would be 1759. If you are thinking that this is too high, for example, you would like to get that 10 times lower, simply divide volume by 10, 0.1, and click calculate. You would get 175.98. If this is also too high, for example, you would like to get it 2 times lower, then divide 0.1 by 2. That would be 0.05. Click calculate, and you get the pip value that for the stop loss would be equal to 87.89. The take profit would be equal to 184. If you are okay with these values, then simply open a new order and copy these values. Stop loss, take profit, and the most important thing is 0.05, which is a volume. Click sell, and the new order is open. Let's copy this entry price so we have correct values inside the Pip Calculator, 29066.30. Click calculate. You would get a stop loss, let's copy this one here, 97.75, close to 100. Now let's see on the chart what we have. Stop loss would be 97.75. Great, it is the same value. The take profit would be, let's go on our mouse, 174.53. Let's copy this one here. It is the same value. You can see how to use the Pip Calculator Volatility 251 second to get the values of a stop loss and take profit before opening an order. This way you can define the stop loss take profit by using proper risk management. So you do not open too high or too low values on the order, so you do not need to close them or open a new order. This way you can be prepared before trading, so you are in line with your trading strategy. If you have any questions regarding this Volatility 251 second Pip Calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to make a new video by answering your questions. You will have also a link inside the description for this Pip Calculator and also for this PDF with the Pip value table. I hope you liked this video. If you do, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!